Hi everyone and welcome to our new video which is we are going to differentiate the balance of trade and versus the balance of payments. So let's proceed. So for the introduction, we all know that in the international trade, countries buy and sell goods and services with other nations. So there is really a globalization and there are really the countries are really doing global trades. And of course, to measure these transactions, economists use two important concepts, which are the balance of trade or the BOT and the balance of payments, which is the BOP. So this helps understand a country's economic position in the global trade. So what is BOT or balance of trade? Balance of trade refers to the difference between a country's exports, which is goods sold, and imports, which are goods bought. So the basic formula for this is balance of trade is equals to export minus imports. So what is the key focus of this BOT? It focuses on goods only, which focuses on physical products, and it does not include services. For example, if a country exports 100 billion worth of goods and it imports, let's say, 80 billion worth of goods, then if we're going to use the formula, that is going to be 20 billion surplus because export minus import. So actually, there are balance of types of balance of trades. First is the what we call trade surplus, wherein the exports is greater than the imports. This is where country is selling more than buying. Then we have another one. Then of course this is positive for the economy. Then of course we have the what we call trade deficit, wherein this is where imports is greater than the exports. So country is buying more than selling. So of course it may indicate economic issues. And of course we have the balance trade wherein exports is equals to imports. So there is no surplus or either deficit. Now let's talk about what is balance of payments. So when we talk about that, it is a record of all economic transactions between a country and the rest of the world. So what does it includes? It includes goods, exports and imports, the services like tourism, the BPO or the business process outsourcing, and even investments. And of course, the remittances as well. And also, it includes loans and financial flows. And remember, BOP is broader than BOT. So what are the components of balance of payment? First is rather the current account wherein it includes the trade in goods, the BOT, the trade in services, the income, the wages and dividends, and transfers or remittances. For the next one, we have the capital account. It includes capital transfers and also non-produced asset that is usually small compared to other accounts. And the last one is the financial account, wherein it includes foreign investments, loans, and foreign direct investments. So the key difference between the two that was mentioned is in terms of the coverage. You can see that BOT is goods only while the balance of payment is rather all transactions. The BOT is narrow while the BOP is broad. Of course, for the balance of trade, it doesn't include services, it doesn't include investment. But on the balance of payment, it includes services, it includes also investment. So balance of trade is actually part of the BOP, and of course, Balance of trade is not. So what is the relationship between BOT and BOP? So remember that balance of trade is part of the current account of BOP. And BOP includes BOT plus other transactions. If BOT is negative, BOP can still be positive due to the following. It includes the remittances and, of course, investments. And, of course, services as well. So, what is the importance of BOT and BOP? The first one is in relation to the government. They make trade policies and also controls imports and exports. And of course, for the economies, they analyze economic performance and predict financial stability. And lastly, for the businesses, it understands global markets. So that's all, and thank you so much.